All right, let's talk about how to make a Padlet map. To create the Padlet map, you will go to the Make a Padlet and you'll click on the Select Map. Maps can be a lot of fun for ways for students to pin places they're learning about, thinking about geography or world history, thinking about even English language arts, places in a book they're reading about, what they're learning about, foreign language, cities and countries they're learning about. Lots of great options. I've already created one just for time's sake, and this is going to be one that we're going to use for places you have traveled. So this might be like a get to know you Padlet, places students have gone, or maybe if you're working with staff members to teach them how to use Padlet. So when you open up a Padlet and you've created it, it's going to automatically, run through all the setup that we did back when we set up the other just regular Padlet. And it's going to default to this image of the United States, but you're going to be able to simply grab and drag over if you're using, if you're learning about, Italy, you'll be able to drag that over so students can view the map at that place. When to create this Padlet, I had to go in and add the title, the description. I added my little icon there, just like we did with the other Padlets. You're going to have some different options for your map style. So what you want that to look like. I chose just the usual map. You can, again, then change, choose your fonts and any of your posting options there. So when you're ready to post, you have a few different ways you can do this. You can obviously see where I can scroll in and zoom into a map, okay, if I'm looking for something specific. If I just want to drag and drop a pin in, okay, I can go to this plus and drag this pin to anywhere on the map. So let's say I have gone to Chicago, I can kind of drop it in that area, and that's going to ask you exactly kind of where did you want to pin. And let's just say Lakefront Trail, Chicago. So then it's going to make that pin block for you. Okay. The other way you can do it is that you can go ahead and you can add pin and just put in the place that you're searching for. Oops. Oh my goodness. All right, so let's go to Cannon Beach, Oregon. So this is the place I'm going to pin, and I'm going to maybe give it a little title here. Maybe you'll have your students maybe do a little more than I am here. But this is what's really neat about it is it's going to pin it on the map, and then it's going to allow you to add a file or add something to this pin. So it might be a picture, it might be a link to a video that you have from the trip, might be a special place that you visited, a photo, whatever. I'm going to upload a photo, and I'm going to grab it from my computer. And this is a picture. We traveled here. We used to live in the state of Washington, and we took a trip down to Cannon Beach with my daughter. I think she was maybe 2. And this is her pretending she's Dora the Explorer on Cannon Beach. But great trip. And so when I've got that posted, right, now it leaves this pin, okay? And it's going to make it interactive where others can click on it, open it, and read your description of the pin. So as students start to add to the map, you're going to see here's my pin and a student added over here in Minnesota, and you'll be able to click on it and open it up and see what the students have posted and give comments or do any of those attributions that you've asked. And again, those attributions show up when the student is logged in. You'll be able to see which student posted right here at the top.